Welcome back to the farm. We're at Blue Stem Botanicals, and my name is TJ Fink. I'm hailing from New York City, and today we're going to make a drink called When Worlds Collide. Now, this is a drink that I'm naming When Worlds Collide because it combines some old world flavors, some new world flavors, and it's all tied together with Pisco. Okay, so Pisco is distilled from grapes in Chile or Peru. And I've actually worked with a Peruvian bartender who's described the flavors to me as sort of a botanical marriage between a botanical gin and vodka. And so once you kind of know what to do with Pisco, you can play around with it a bit. And today, we're going to play around with the classic Negroni recipe that's got all these other flavors in it. All right, here we go. Let's play. So we're going to start off with 1 ounce of Pisco, 1 ounce of Campari. And you'd normally do equal parts of those two things with the sweet vermouth. I'm going to do half and half. I'm going to do 1/2 ounce of the sweet vermouth along with 1/2 ounce of the Amaro. Okay? Now, always remember we're saving the ice for last. We don't want to dilute first. So I'm pouring those all into the stirring glass. And this is where spicy turmeric is going to come into play. All right? So I'm going to add just 1/2 ounce of this syrup. Oh, it's so good, so fresh, right from the farm. But that's not all, folks. That's not all. We're also going to use the bitter melon tincture here, which adds, yes, a little bit bitterness and a little bit of citrus there. So we're just going to do 1/2 of a milliliter there. And now we're ready for some dilution. But first, I'm going to prepare my serving glass here. I think a double rocks will be all right. And now we add the ice. There we are. So, as you may recall from other videos we've done, a stirred drink, usually you're going to want to stir for 15 to 20 seconds for proper dilution. And so that's right where we're at with this. And you always want to serve over clean ice when possible. You can do a stir and dump or a shake and dump for some drinks. But for this one, I think 15 to 20 seconds. Do it. And now we serve. Oh, the worlds are starting to collide already, but that's not all. All right. So what I'm thinking for the garnish is a nice gourmet Luxardo. When it comes to Luxardo, when you know, you know. But that's not all. I'm going to add a little bit of a mango slice here that's going to go well with the bitter melon tincture. So traditionally, you might do an orange twist for a classic Negroni. But for here, I think we're going to put that as a mango twist. And that, my friends, is what happens when worlds collide.